Hello, hello. This- Hello, 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 hello. Okay, what am I doing? This one's like to add the O, but like how I'm going to do that? User details. Oh, I can get the user details. Can I try this one? Like test for testing. Can I try that? Right. Let's go to the back and get the utils. So what I'm gonna do now? Let's add a test. In that test, let's add the. We have to add this one. Let's just say that O auth. Let's just say that O auth that JS. So this one, let's import. But first, let's need to install the ZBack and yeah, yes. See. What we're gonna do now is when music public appeal. Okay. So what I'm gonna do now is to install the Google Auth library. It's gonna be npm install this one. So yeah, we did the packages. Now what we're gonna do, let's go to our test for OAuth.js. Let's import the express. Import express. Import import express. Express. Now I don't need to use Access, but just normal HTTP. Thoughts. There's no fish. There's no Facebook yet. Forward email. Let's go with the pricing first. What is our time? Monitor how long it is for your secure service, no? How about node mailer? Node mailer makes sending email for not just a prerequisite for the secure. Okay. So how about the pricing? Message configuration usage using Gmail. Auth password. So Gmail auth user client. Yes, I have this one. Then app password request to so service user process Google app password. Well, quick keep in mind. flexible workspace. Okay, that's nice. Postmark, how about postmark? Postmark. Pricing. Let's go with the pricing. So, ay mahal. There's no, magic links, not Miller, Sin Ingrid, loops, loops, email. Senior product market transaction email with loops once interface. Okay, what about the pricing then? Free allow you to send a month enough email words every week for feature with small powered by loops get started. I don't know about this. Like I wanted to know about with civil prep company, civil prep. Sign in with Google. I don't need to actually to worry. Which it up. Recommend to subdomain. Ang problema lagi is wala domain. So, saying that civilprep.com, then adding on some message and mix recording to the minister so that envelope sand, envelope button, form, primer, custom, wait, this one, answer. I don't know actually with this one, like templates. magpatlagay ng domain. I really wanted to buy a domain. Like, I really wanted to add this email first, but I think it's necessary since I'm just when I'm trying to understand this email provider, then I have need to understand about this first. So actually, I in my here in my login, I'm actually have like a wait list. So every time they're going to go with the wait list, they're going to it will going to send an email. There will be an email that is going to send to them saying that they are now waiting for the civil prep to be launched. So this is the civil prep, and yeah, this is just like a simple landing page here, but the magic is inside here. So you can just add like a bunch of things. But like I said, there's still a lot of missing in the front end, like micro interaction. Like this one should have micro interaction with some other things. I want it to be like a simple, a minimal, but pleasing to the eyes. It's not like overcrowded. Like it's not make you lose focus. So yeah. So started. We have the sign in and sign up. This is already working. I have this one. Your work sensitivity by comma. And I wanted this to separate to the other account. So I'm gonna create another routes in the back end that like setting up. Don't know how. Still don't know how exactly I'm gonna do that. But just say. So but first I need to know how like wait. This supposed to be like disabled, right? Wait. Let's go to the sign in. Let's go to the sign up. Why am sign up page and yeah, probably because I made it disabled. That's why it's not showing up. It's taking so long. Okay. I think yeah, it's disabled. Yeah. Yeah, yes. Okay. Um, I think I wanted to make this work, but first I need to fix that because the login should not supposed to be like the login supposed to be like the button should have like all the gap delete. I cannot make actually make full relative. How I'm going to do that? So flex grow. Why does no flex grow? Why does no flex grow? Why does no flex grow on Tailwind? Right. Oh, okay. Okay, get it. There's flex grow, but it is not detecting by the intelligence or it doesn't have flex grow. Yeah. I want it to flex you to have like you have like everything set up. You have same weight and height. Because in the sign up, there's only two, Facebook and Google. So I wanted to add also GitHub. Yeah. It's kind of good. I like this one. But I need to make this also the fake Google plus name should be orange. It's gonna be. I just wanna use text rather orange. Yes, and Facebook can be last name. Should be text blue. Nice, and the tab is locked. Okay, yeah, that's great. What do you think, guys? Which better this I need do I need to put colors or not? I'm so confused. I think it's better to have no color like this one than having color because it's like out of place. I think yeah. For now, just put it like now. Go back. Started. I can just actually log in like this one. So invalid condition. Yeah. So fast, like very fast login. And still have missing a lot of things missing. Can actually do this. Okay, can do that out. Nice. Okay, now what I'm gonna do now? Wait, I'm gonna get some coffee. Okay, I'm back, I'm back. What I'm gonna do now is, okay, let's go to OAuth. I'm gonna try the space. Okay, let's go to the example. Okay, so I'm gonna import the course, import course, um, course, and let's also import. We don't need actually to import. Yeah, we need to import. We need to import, import the O OAuth client. Um, library also found its at client. That's new out client. Then it's just a JavaScript. Oh yeah, this is the TypeScript that was it's a TypeScript. It's a JavaScript. Yeah, so we need to add course the app that use added the course for the middleware and all the senior development says you check the code not just block and senior blocking feature use blocking for it application code or backend. If verified, sign them and back in the backend and then send response. Wait, I have this, but the token I don't have the token. Access token. Google APIs. Wait, oh, oh. I think I need to go to the cloud console. I'm not gonna use this one, this one. I have this. Then let's go to credentials of consent. Um, have one. I thought I have request. App security billing verification. Client. Client ID. With client. What I'm gonna do is access token. We're gonna do data access. I'm gonna do this. So the in authorized domain use element the group. Actually, this was actually the domain that are allowed. Do I need to allow from both local hosts or not? I think I'm gonna add the domain. Thunderstorms coming along. This one. I'm gonna add the domain and also domain for the this one. Domain. Oh, it's supposed to be. Tama man. Or walay dapat siya ko ano. The valid domain must specify scheme of HTTP. Yes, it has an HTTP. Come on. This is right. Why is that actually allowing? Uh, this right. I'm 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 confused. Like must not specify the same. I did it right. Yes. The window. Tama. It's good. It's right. What do you mean? There's a huge thunderstorm and I am having a coffee. Why I cannot add this to? Up domain will be destroys domain following information used in responses to I don't know. I don't know about this one. Uh, this is support up logo. Oh, I'm gonna do this with a domain example localhost 3000. Ah, why it's not allowed? Authorized domain. What do you mean? No. Specify the same HTTP. Like I did it HTTP like this, right? PS. I don't get it. This is not specifying. I don't know. Let's go with the overview. I wanted actually view all clients. View all clients do not support view all clients. I have one client. That's good. Branding. I need also the branding, but I cannot add a domain. Example.com. What? But local host 3000 is not. Really? Why? If all if it's all the same, you try adding pre-authorized JavaScript origin instead had the error myself at some point and fixed it. Know that you will have to use this URL for your request as well as event to it translate to okay. Sorry that. Eh, just gonna go with the lot. Let's try this one. Still not working now. HTTPS. Hmm. What? You said that it works at this? It's not 255. Ah, what's wrong? HTTPS. Does anyone of you knows how to fix this one? Like, does anyone of you knows how to do this? Like, use. I authorize. Okay. So, authorize JavaScript origin. So, you can just do that. Where should I find that one? Verification center, clients, web client, authorize. Oh, I have this. Oh, I can add the local host then. That means you can add this one. You can also add another one for the but without this, and I can add authorize this bot, and this also. Yeah, I can use in group, like to make it like publicly. But I'm building this locally, but I don't want it to be built in like publicly. I do not the client secret. What was my client secret? What was my client secret? Anyways, I have this set up, save. It might take a minute, so since I have, I just need to fix some problems. Just need to code. Wait, just wait. I'm gonna off the display capture first because there's something I want to know to see. See, okay. Wait. Mm, 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 mm. So I don't exactly know what my client's secret are. So I don't know my client's secret. So this is just a client ID, not a secret at all. I should have written my client's secret. Why should I? Why he didn't written it? Okay, I'm gonna add a secret. Then I'm gonna copy the secret. Then add the secret here. Then delete the current secret. I'm gonna disable this. Delete that one. And yeah, and save. Okay, I'll just set it up. Maybe I'm gonna wait for it to work, but I cannot actually do that right now. What I'm gonna do now is just like sign up, log in. So I'm gonna go back to here. I'm just gonna add more micro interaction. So since we're already there, let's go add to the probably in the let's go to the source and let's go to the hero on page hero because we have these two. That means oh my god, we have two buttons. Let's add a micro interaction to that. So let's add hover. Let's add grow. Do we have grow? Which one of I didn't need actually to use Lex grow. It has grow. That's nice. Okay. Let's add its size. Let's add by 3, by 2, by 1, by 2. Okay. I want micro interaction. This is focus, right? Oh, this is a micro, but this one's not. Doesn't have one. What I'm gonna do now is hover border gray 100. Or just say that opacity, opacity Let's say that around 30% start studying. Like, okay, mm, okay, so animate bounce. This is called like with king pulse. I don't like that, but anyway, stay with it. Okay, let's. I think I'm not being consistent here. Like in this one, it's way too tight. Everything is tight together. I need to add more spacing on there. Gonna add like say something. Then study. Let's add. Okay, what do I do? Actually, I made an article about this. I'm gonna save you or save. You can take it. And, actually made an article. I made an article. So it's getting a secure Node.js backend service with ArcGIS. It's actually good. This is the article I made. Medium interface really simple. Like I wanted to make a similar also similar interface like this. Probably in the study materials, it's just something here. I want micro interaction with the card. So let's go to the components. Card stat, card sugar, card tools. With card stat, card tools, so are the item, this title, description, they have icons, title, and the rest. So uh, cover, with, blah blah blah, animate. I want this to be like um the transition, just normal. Then when animate, spin, pulse, bounce, land, processing, and tailwind hover. Tailwind hover fixed for example. Okay. Hmm. Hover. Scale. Okay. I like this one. So it's gonna hover, scale to 50. How about what is 3D? There's so much stated. Oh, look, it's gonna be 90, right? Then how can I make this like smooth, like butter? So how I'm gonna make this smooth? Transform, transition, transform, duration, number scale, when it be this is nice. This is actually nice. It's like having a simple or like a minimal, what is simple interaction, micro interaction like this is like a game changer to your website. Like it's making your website feel alive rather than just a plain website. So we need to add that one. Like this one, this, I like this. Just like making it like more alive. Okay, let's find more. I know this one. Shadow. Okay, button, hover, text hover. What do you mean by text hover? Right? Oh, hover. Nice. Your hover. Nice. I like it. The if you're interested, you can read my article about getting a secure backend with article. Services hover. Zoom in, zoom out. Oh, this is nice effect. This is nice effect for your for anything. How did he do that in the wait the animation? Let's see. There's a lot of accordion. It's something very nice. Alright. Checkbox. The checkbox looks really cool. Toggle. I love this. But does it have like an icon toggle? Doesn't have one. Yung one filter. How about the filter? Filter. How about the transform? Quite nice. Now what I'm gonna do is add here simple, similar to this one, similar to our. So we need the transform, transition, transform, duration also. Let's add first this one. Part two. So let's move. Oh, it's lagging. I'm just gonna go with add it with m added micro mic micro yeah, quite nice. Do I need like wait, login schema? Probably I need to construct a more schema. I I'm crazy because I have Zod schema, but since MongoDB provide a schema, which which is we here in the model we have the user schema that uses Mongoose also. It's like I'm it's like I'm reusing everything or like duplicating for those. Why is that? Like I have the schema, user schema. I also have this auth schema. They are actually what I did here is like first I need to validate using Zone. Then if okay, it's going to be validated using Mongoose here. Then before it's go, like we have our auth services here. We have our auth services. So as you can see, we need the wait, that it will be wait. What was that? Auth service. Actually, we have the controller. Like actually we need, I get the auth service, but auth schema is not used. Sign up service. That's what I need, right? Why? Oh, okay. Then await sign up services request. Then this one, but I wanted to use the Zod. Was I not using the Zod? Agent controller, agent service. I think I need to use the Zod. Wait, I wanted to use the Zod. Zod. Like extend, we have the schema, user schema, cons user model, user schema. Using Mongoose Zod. Mongoose model. Oh, okay. So I can actually put the schema. I'm gonna use the this one, define Zod schema, convert to Mongoose. So to Mongoose schema, user Zod. Oh, I can. So I don't need actually to worry. So in the model, in the user model, I can just actually like import. Can I do that? Like, let's go to the spot schema validation. So I can actually delete this one. Import Z. So I can just go with the user. I can use together import Z from Z. Then I can just do something like cons extended extend Z with Mongo's specific picture. Can I do that? Extend Z. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm sorry for me. This is why Zod validation is unnecessary. Let's see if it's been working. Okay, route of the JS cause there's no Zod. Routes of the JS. Wait. Oh, wait. I need the zone. Wait. Okay. So I need actually to go. So to your profile. I have this is my GitHub. What did you call? I need to go to the repository. I have 51 repository already. And I need to the backend. Probably not. Probably on the validation. So I need to create again validation. Then I'm gonna create the Auth schema, auth schema, schemas.js. Then let's add this one. Let's try that. So it's going to use on the out.js routes. Oh, cause it's gonna first validate. I forgot about it. So first it's gonna validate this one. It's gonna validate. This is gonna be turned into like a middleware validation. So if this will be success, then it's going to like put all the data on the sign up. Okay, it's working. Word break. Oh, I love this one. It's a word break. Then we go. Hmm. Learn. Take shadow, position, let us place, hover. Dit picker. I like the dit picker, but not. Oh, like this confetti animation. I love this confetti. Oh, I love this confetti. I love this. I like this confetti. Yay! Let's go. Love it. There are no confetti. 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 Chips. This part. Odd shape triangle. Explosion. Yay. Single. I love the explosion. My example. Ooh. Random. Realistic. Valentines. Stars. Unicorn. Image. Fireworks. I love. I need to find better confetti. Oh, confetti.js. Dim. Oh, I love this one. Wow, I love the Nusomis. I love this. I love the confetti so much. Love this kind of confetti. I'm gonna add this to our site and simple prep. Like for example, you study materials, you answered or mock exam. If you get a high score, you get a confetti. Like saying, "Wow, you done very well." Free Victor character. Not free Victor characters. Not gonna need to worry about free pick versus free Victor. PNG. This is cool. For the can. That was the idea. Fat gap is support the number. Oh, it's completely free. It's completely free. Gimme. Sketch. Oh, no, 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 I don't want to sketch. How about the fake? You have a new thing. Do you need to follow the. I need I need to follow this guys. File type reminder. Gotcha. I'm gonna also try to use gotcha. Capture. Unlock button. Diagram. Isometric. Surprise. Okay. Click on the box animation. This guy is so talented. Maybe later. Well, I'm so amazed with config. Like this one. I'm so amazed. What I really like about this one is simple, and not just so simple, but this is fast. Just look at that. See that? No lag at all. There's so many particles going on. No lag. So yeah. Okay, have added micro interaction. Okay, that's good. So need. I'm gonna add like when we hover this one, it's gonna rotate a little bit. So let's go back. Let's card tool, card server, card stat. It's this card stat. We have the icon. Wait, we don't have icon. Header, map exam, progress card, progress solver, protect stat section. We don't have the icon. Stat number, yes. So the icon should be transform, trans, transition, transform, duration, 75, and hover, animate. What is pay? I want it to spin or bounce. Do I need like but instead I'm gonna add you on the on this one. So when I do this, okay. I'm gonna add like a I'm gonna do that. Duration. MS 700. And it for now. How about we just say that to the AI? Ano, okay. Let's just say that to the AI. Say from the group. I wanted my life to be easy. So I want it when I cover the day, only the icon with a letter. 'Cause there's like a selector on this one. Group, yeah, the group one. Text transition, respond duration, group hover, yeah, the group hover. That's the thing I wanted to know. Because when I do something like this, like that, like simple interaction. Yeah. So let's add that one. CLS, get get commit, get commit, add my transaction to the card set, and get yeah, really? Like this one, simple interaction, have this one, the get started, sign up, back to home, yeah, everything we need. Or should I add the pricing? I need to add the pricing, so pricing page. But I think pricing is necessary. I want them to hook into this one. I am bu- I am building a startup. I don't know why. Where's this? What's that actually? Wait. Properties, audio, graphic. This one, hello. 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 Capitan.
Hello. Hello. How about okay?
How about this one? How about this one? How about this one? Gaming video system. How about this one? Is this audible already? Like I put it on 200 times, 100%. Okay. We have micro interaction. I think this is way too much for a 90%. I think that's good. I didn't want it to be. Okay. I don't know if it's this max or I don't know. Advanced. That's 200. Let's push that to the limit. Let's like that. I think this is gonna do everything. I don't know. Maybe I have a poor microphone. Yeah, that's more like the problem. I have a poor microphone or a bad microphone. I need actually to make the Google authentication part. I need also to sign up to subscribe to study tips. So like that, everything on something like that. Have interaction there. How about on the mobile version? Mobile one. Nice. On this one. Nice. Can you see my screen? Wait, I'm running on Windows. I am running on Windows. I have the screen. Okay. Thank you for noticing the audio. Mr. David Jones, thank you so much. Okay. I think I need to fix on the back inside. I need to actually make the goal notification work. Then I go with the face. I don't know how to work with the Facebook, but I need to use this Code.js. I need to use Facebook for the reason that most of the target market or like majority of the target market actually from Facebook. Since I'm targeting the Philippines, most of the people here in the Philippines actually using Facebook. So I need to use Facebook. Yeah, we have Facebook, origin, Facebook ID, Facebook secret. Where can I get Facebook secret? US. The secret key. Go to login. Apps and websites. Where can I get security? Wait, go to your security and login settings. Go to your security and login settings. Activity. Go to your security and login settings. This one. Go to your security and login settings. Recent email security. Pass. Wait. ASCII. Okay. Meetup pay subscription and connection. I don't know where. Wait. Let me check up. It's just a where should I go? I'm confused. Okay. Where should I? What should I do here? Default audio settings. Okay. Um, click account center. Password and security. Account center. Password and security. Click two-factor authentication. Select account says click use security key. No, like login and security. Accounts. Like developer. I don't know how to set up this one. Should I need to contribute? Next out. I'm using Next.js. On a per here. I'm gonna add contribute this one. Add sign in button. Probably. Probably. Try opening the tip of the console. Windows start menu. Little tape. Audio console. Ooh. Start menu. Mic section. Okay. Balance. Main volume. Headphone. Microphone. Cortona. Microphone boost. Nice. Microphone boost. Speaker. Why it's not showing? Wait. Why it's not showing? Why I did just open Photoshop? Like I did actually open it up. Don't know why it's currently working. Like I can see the preview here. Here's a preview. I want to use Go. Actually, the pairs like wanted to use Go actually. Wanted to use Go for this project as a backend service, but ah, de- deploying it's a bit not. I'm not familiar on Go deployment. I know it's gonna use containerization, Docker image. I know. But the AWS need a credit card. They don't have a credit card yet. Mastering your service exam. Everything you need to succeed. Comprehensive tools and resources for civil service exam preparation. Pa- pa- Study materials. Wait. Escuela. Anyways, thank you for watching. It's getting late. It's already 4:53 p.m. right now on my time and my local time. And that's all for today's time. Thank you for watching. Wait, I'm gonna wait for you because I'm about to like end live. But yeah, actually, I'm building like a startup. A startup. Wait. Okay. I'm building a startup for my. I have. I'm actually setting up the Google Earth, but I need to wait for around 5 hours or many hours to get like validated by the Google. So I have this lit admin. It's currently working, so I can just get like Richard Bangislim.com. It's currently working. I need to add also a micro interaction. This is gonna be challenge card. Challenge is gonna be module. Progress card, study card. So I'm gonna add the group, and then I'm gonna add what was that? The card tools, transform, duration, hover, scale, study card tools. Where was that study card? This is not the thing. Where was that stat section? We have the group, then transition, duration, group hover. Okay, it's a group hover. So sign up page, road, study card. So group. So you're gonna do is Snoop hover. It's gonna be like scale 295. Transform, transition, transform. Oh, I don't need to use Snoop hover. Then I just need to use this one. Then I want to delete this one. Hmm. Why is that? Yeah. Not in particular. I use AI for like guidance instead of actually coding everything for me. For example, here in the front end, I don't need actually AI for this one since I'm familiar with Delvan. But if I'm being lazy, like for example, if I'm going to add a new feature or a new components, I know how to make that one. But as for myself, I don't actually like putting myself into something like that. If you can just do like okay AI, here's a reference for you, create that one. So I'm just gonna do that. But I know how to code that one, but I'm being lazy enough. So I give it to the AI and made it for me, even though I know how to do it by myself. For example, in the card, for example, I'm making a component that's similar to this. If the AI can do this one, even though I know how to make this one, I'm gonna give it to AI. Like this one. How am I gonna make interaction? I have this start learning. Okay. This is inconsistent. There's no lesson. It's supposed to be like this one. Marked as completed. Back to lesson. Nice. Lesson. Nice. School. And practice test. We have stick test. The luck. Progress. And the challenges. The challenges is like a GitHub repo. Yeah, I like that idea. Or should I just use like the calendar? Yeah. But this is enough. Still enough. Then I have the profile, can go log out. So it's currently working. What I wanted to add is the Google authentication. So it's easier for me. I think you, no, not that talented. If you're wondering, I am using NeoVim IDE. I am using NeoVim by the way. So actually, I'm using Z for because it's super fast. I'm using NeoVim for like convenient. Very, I actually used VS Code before, but I want to like take all the work on my terminal right now. Like for example, this one, I have everything set up here, running here. Don't need to actually to worry about anything else, and it's super fast. Super fast. For example, it has a project finder. It's gonna find everything for me. Don't have to worry about anything else. What? Where was the problem? Hmm. What I'm gonna do now. So since I have this one, adding micro interaction, same also with this. But I don't like this kind of color. Feels so out of place. I'm also gonna make this photo a little simpler because this is way too much. And in this one, I'm gonna add home about then these things will only be appear if you are logged in. Yeah. I think that's for now. Thank you everyone for watching. And yeah, probably see you tomorrow. Thank you. Bye bye. Have fun. Have a good day.